Hip Hop Skit Scott, welcome back to my hotly anticipated house tour. This is the house. It's one story. It's got three windows, one bathroom in the corner. Bedroom is everywhere inside the house. There's two chairs next to it and a beautiful antique grill. Fancy garden. I think it's all dead, but that's okay. A little shrine to worship Cthulhu. And over here we got the marriage thingy-mabobber. Back here is where we hide the dead bodies and a basketball. That's a beehive that's makes going in this little alleyway kind of like deadly. So yeah, this is fruit, probably oranges. Great for throwing. That's a bird flying. Probably not Rummy. Who knows? Maybe she followed me. This is the side house. That's the main house. Is the side house. What up, nerd? Welcome. This used to be like outside, but now someone put a floor in and it's an empty room. It always was an empty room. I don't think it always was. This is my phone system, high tech. Banana. Here's the dining room. It's got a super fancy chandelier over like some floor and stuff. Here's the living room. It's full of stuff and Spider-Man. These are like the two functioning chairs. Water bottle. Here's where I've been sleeping. That's where I've been charging. That's my quote desk. That's like the only place in the house that sometimes has internet. But usually I use my phone as a router and put it on this chair, which is the only chair that works. I don't know. I have to get a router. Here's debris. This is a room. And then this is another room. I tried sleeping here the first night, but this bed feels like a thing of nails. Not comfy. Yo! Cat ears? My clothes and shit. This is like a heater that's like poking out from underneath the house. Like the entire underneath is like hollow or something. I don't even know. You can go underneath the house and crawl under if you have like claustrophobia and you want to get crushed, I guess. Here's the bathroom, one of the two things in the house that was actually like redone. You got the shower, got the poopies. Yeah. Next up, the other nice part is the kitchen. Really nice. A virgin oven that I only used to cook a piece of toast this morning. That's its only experience. A sink that does sink things. Here's the ramen cabinet. We got Italian ramen, macaroni ramen, cup noodle ramen, beef ramen, shrimp ramen, chicken ramen, oatmeal ramen, beans, turkey chili, kind of beans, ramen seasonings, I guess in canola oil. Here's the cold ramen storage. Here's the less cold ramen storage. Here's the shrine. Yeah, this is like a little alcove thing. I don't know. Good for charging stuff. This is like the last new part of the house. The toilet has been through like a fucking journey. I don't know. I have to clean that. Yeah, but the floor looks cool. This is the garage. I don't know. It's functioning washer and dryer at least. But yeah, it looks like it's a storage unit because it is. Here's the side of the house, which looks really cool. That's an entrance to the garage. This is trash cans. This is the roof that we could climb up and check out the beautiful view, which you can kind of see from here. Like, look at the ocean. Really pretty. And here's a fence post that I need to hammer in. That's the school across the street. This is the front. You can see down, waves crashing. It's a pretty hilly hill. In fact, the hill is, the street it's on is called Hill Street. Genius name. And yeah, that's my highly anticipated house tour. Like and subscribe.